Hello, English 10. I am creating a screencast of the process of making a Flipgrid about your creative art piece. So the interesting thing about this is the Flipgrid program allows us to have presentations without doing in-class presentations. For all 66 students to do an in-class presentation really takes a lot of class time. And in English 10, especially this quarter, we're really going to keep it moving. And this allows us to present our creative art pieces without taking up all that class time. And it also allows you to share your creative art piece with your classmates, which has always improved the quality of our quarter 4 creative art pieces, because that's how creativity works. It's a collaborative process, and we're in a community of readers together. So today I'm going to present a creative art piece about the book I Am Alfonso Jones, and I'm going to walk you through how I would create this as a Flipgrid. So in Flipgrid, you can do a lot of really cool things. So just to highlight what I've done in advance of creating this Flipgrid, I already have my creative art piece, which is based on the book. I've already finished the book. I've already made the creative art piece. I just haven't recorded my response yet. So the content of my response is going to be both presenting my creative art piece, telling about the book, and why I made the creative choices I did. So you can do some pretty cool things in Flipgrid that I'd love to have you learn about. One of them is you can add photos. So I already took photos of the book cover and my creative art piece itself. I had to convert them using an online converter. My phone, an Apple iPhone, takes images in HEIC format, and you'll need to take your images or put your images into Flipgrid as a JPEG. So what I did is just Googled image converter and used the first one I could find that was free. So I have this image right here, which is the picture of my creative art piece. Oh, nope, that's a picture of the book. That's awesome. I think I'm going to put that right up here. And I'm going to continue adding because I want to get, here we go. This is my creative art piece. Awesome. So you can see you can do a lot here. You can adjust the size. I would definitely want that to be really highlighted there. You can also add other effects. Let's just say you want to add a frame and it matched like the style. Maybe if I was going to do like a newscast kind of style here, I don't know, could do that. You can also add in, let's see if I can get rid of that frame. No frame. Okay. You can also add in other effects, such as a board where you write as you present, almost like you've seen those like Khan Academy videos. You could add in text if you wanted to explain your theme. I'm gonna use typewriter. Choose your background. All right, I'm gonna use blue. Okay, and then I'm gonna move my little text box over here. Color, well, it's gotta be white. Okay, so you can see it requires a little bit of screwing around, but you can add in all these different elements. So you can change the color. Okay, this is really huge. You'd have to go in and like play around with the size, obviously. Maybe here. Nope, that's mirrored. All right, well, I'm going to leave that for you to determine. You can also do some other things, such as mirroring the video. You could record your screen. For example, if you were going to present your slides, you should be able to record your screen and do it that way. Those are all dynamic ways to present your information. And let's just say you didn't want people seeing like your backdrop at home. Okay, that made us lag a little bit, but you can see I have like a blurred backdrop, and that's another thing that makes your presentation a little bit more dynamic. So the questions that you need to answer when you present your creative art piece are all already in our Flipgrid classroom. So let's just say you had recorded your response. Um, Let me show you where that is. So right here, you should be able to see these questions to answer in your video, which will lead you to a highly competent grade. You have the first question: what is the central idea or theme of your novel? How does it develop over the course of the text, through the plot, characters, and figurative language? Explain the plot really briefly using transition words. Use a quotation from the book if possible. That's where using that like text might be kind of a cool way to add your quote. Explain your creative art piece and the creative choices that you made. And that's what you were already doing in that paragraph. You're just recording here. So I hope that this clarifies exactly how to create a creative art piece. I am going to be available during 8th period anytime this week and Monday and Tuesday of next week for extra assistance. Thank you.